Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TradingView alerts not working or delayed. If you're missing alerts or getting them too late, don't worry, it's usually a simple setting, notification or sync issue. Here's the step-by-step fix. First, check your internet connection. TradingView alerts rely on connection to reach your device on time. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out weak network issues, and then make sure alerts are actually active. Open the TradingView app, tap the alerts tab, the bell icon, check the checklist. If your alert says expired, pause, or it isn't listed, you need to set it up again. Now, next, what you're gonna do is verify notification permission on phone. Go to settings and then open your settings app, search for TradingView, and then see if you have allowed permissions. If it's off, TradingView may trigger alerts, but iOS won't show them. So turn it on. Uh, in TradingView app, tap the sorry. Next, what you're gonna do is open the app store and then search for TradingView and see if there is an update button available. If there is, then click on update button and update your app. If there is not, and if it shows open, then that means your app is already updated to the newest or the latest version. Now after that, go to your settings app, search for Safari, and then scroll down, click on clear history and website, and then click clear history. This will TradingView uses Safari for background sessions and cache data and can cause notification delivery delays. So clearing Safari's cache and cookies is an important step. Next, if none of that works, just restart your phone, hold the power plus volume button, slide to power off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This resets background services that handle notification. Privacy tip: never rely on third-party alert boosters or unofficial app. These can delay or interrupt your trading notifications. Quick fix: if alerts are still delayed or missing, layout and log back into the app to refresh your session. Temporarily disable low power mode, and then make sure you do not have focus or do not disturb enabled. Try setting a test alert on popular symbol if it's account wide or symbol specific. And that's it. Subscribe for more